Hey guys, coming at you from Lüft today in Indianapolis down in the Bottle Works district. It is so cool down here. It's like 75 degrees. It's perfect weather, and the cars here are just absolutely spectacular. It is everything it's cracked up to be. Let's go check out some cars, and we're gonna see some familiar faces as well as along the way. Let's go check it out. So guys, first impressions of Lüft. More cars than I was expecting and less people than I was expecting. This is just like a really big sprawling neighborhood, really loads of cool buildings. The cars, I mean, of course they were going to be fantastic, but the cars are truly epic. And we're now sat in getting some air conditioning, and got myself a cheeky Diet Coke to try and help me get through the next couple of hours. It's getting a little warm here in Indianapolis. Well, wow, what a day. Just cars, and I've bumped into a bunch of people I know online from YouTube and Instagram and all that good stuff. Andrew from 911 South's here, Sarah from LA Dismantle is here. I've seen a bunch of people. It's been loads of fun, and there's still more to come. Is that Andrew from 911 South?
In the flesh.
Is in the flesh taking photos?
Finally found me.
Wow, you guys, what a great day at Lüft or Lüft. Such an amazing event. Bumped into a couple of people I knew. Sarah Darkerman from LA Dismantler, who's been on my podcast before. Well, these roads in Indianapolis are bumpy. Saw Andrew from 911 South. Super nice guy. Finally got to meet him after collaborating with him a couple of times. Who else today? Oh, Todd, my friend Todd, who on Instagram is the Stone City Outlaw. Unfortunately, he wasn't there with his 356. That's still in development, but you know, like all great works of art, it's a work in progress. Bumped into a couple of people who knew me. Even saw a couple of people wearing AutoAmateur t-shirts, which was a little surreal, but you know, awesome. I didn't see anyone wearing Nick Murray t-shirts, you know, as expected. I mean, who would wear one of those when you can buy awesome AutoAmateur merchandise? Anyway, that was today. Great event, great people, and of course, amazing cars. I think my favorite car of the day was either the blue one with the ducktail, or, I mean, the blue one. Now I don't even remember what it was. Was it a 964? I think it was a 964 with the ducktail. Or, and this is probably my favorite, it was the yellow RS with the ducktail that was on the main strip. That car was just amazing. Everything about that car, the look, the silhouette, the ducktail, the deck lid, the interior was immaculate. Oh man, so good, so good. Anyway, hold on for part two. Part two of this video coming soon. Today, of course, was all about Lüft. I wanted to give that special attention in this video. Tomorrow, or the next video, is all about the Porsche Together Fest, which is being held on Saturday, September 11th, at the Indianapolis Speedway. And there's going to be Porsche Club of America there. There are going to be the guys from Lüft doing parade laps. There are going to be races. There are going to be cars on display, merchandise to buy. We're going to sit and watch a few of the races. In fact, I think if you pay extra, and we didn't do this, but you can also actually take your car out and participate in the parade laps. Maybe I'll do that next year. But yeah, just super awesome. Thanks for checking out this video, guys, and more coming soon.